Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to continue with exercise 5.3 example number 8. So find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Okay, so let's just write A2 is equals to 14, A3 is equals to 18. As you all know that the common difference between the consecutive terms विल बी सेम. तो A3 माइनस A2 हम कर सकते हैं A3 माइनस A2 विच इज़ द कॉमन डिफरेंस दैट इज़ 18 माइनस 14. सो द डिफरेंस विल बी 4. अभी A2 उसका यूज़ करके हम फर्स्ट टर्म फाइंड कर सकते हैं दैट इज़ A प्लस डी इज इक्वल्स टू 14. देयरफॉर A प्लस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 14. देयरफॉर A इज इक्वल्स टू 10. Okay, now we have the first term, we have that common difference. Now let's just find the sum of first 51 terms using the formula that is Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is 51 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 into 4. So this is 51 divided by 2 into 2 into 10 that is 20 plus 50 into 4 that is 200. So this is 51 divided by 2 is 220. Okay, so this is 220. So we are having 51 into 110 and the answer will be 5610. Okay, so S of 51 हो जाएगा 5610. Now move on to example number 9, in which if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 289, find the sum of first n terms. ओके, सो सबसे पहले हमको क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट टर्म, व्हाट इज़ द कॉमन डिफरेंस. सो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, जो जो चीज़ें हमके पास दी गई है उसको हम लिख देंगे. दैट इज़ S7 इज इक्वल्स टू 7, सॉरी S7 इज इक्वल्स टू 49. जो 7 टर्म्स है फर्स्ट उसका एडिशन हमको दिया है S7 इज इक्वल्स टू 49. S17 इज इक्वल्स टू 289. ओके, सो यहाँ से हमारे पास दो वैल्यूज़ मिलेंगे. सो S7 दैट इज़ S7 इज इक्वल्स टू 7 डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस 6d, 7 माइनस 1 इंटू डी दैट इज़ 6d. यहाँ पे ये हो जाएगा 49 इज इक्वल्स टू 7 डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू 2a प्लस 6d. इसको उस तरफ लेके चले जाएंगे. सो दिस इज़ 49 इंटू 2 डिवाइड बाई 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 2a प्लस 6d. ओके, सो विच गिव्स अस 7 7s are 49 and this is 14 is equals to 2a plus 6d. We can take out 2 both common on the both the side. तो क्या बचेगा, 7 is equals to a plus 3d. ये हो गया हमारा इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ S17 is equals to 17 डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट 2a plus 16d, 17 minus 1d. So this is 289 into 2 divided by 17 is equals to 2a plus 16d. Yes, as you all know that 17 17s are 289. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 17 और 2 यहाँ से कॉमन निकल जाएगा, यहाँ से भी एक कॉमन. तो 17 इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस 8d. सो दिस इज सेकेंड इक्वेशन. सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस. So a plus 8d is equals to 17. and a plus 3d is equals to 7. Minus minus minus, this is 5d is equals to 10, therefore d is equals to 2. So we are having the common difference, d is 2. So from 1, 7 is equals to a plus 3 into 2, therefore 7 minus 6 is equals to a, which implies a is equals to 1. Okay, now what we have to find the sum of first n terms. So हम क्या करेंगे, एस एन इज इक्वल्स टू, एन की जगह पे तो हमको कुछ नहीं रखना है, एन की जगह पे एन ही रखना है, 2a प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. So just put the values of first term and common difference. So 2 into 1 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. So which implies n divided by 2 into bracket 2 plus 2n minus 2, 2 minus 2 plus cancel हो जाएगा. So this is n divided by 2 into 2n, 2 again cuts, so the nth formula will be n square. So लास्ट में आप लिख सकते हो that Sn is equals to n square. Okay, now move on to question number 10, in which we are having show that a1 a2 up to an form an AP whose an is defined as below, and also find the sum of first 15 terms of in each case. ओके, तो सबसे पहले ये जो फॉर्म है वो उस पर्टिकुलर एपी का क्या हो जाएगा, जर्नल फॉर्म. लेट जस्ट टेक फर्स्ट दैट ए एन इज इक्वल्स टू 3 प्लस 4n. ये जो है वो उस पर्टिकुलर एपी का क्या हो जाएगा, जर्नल फॉर्म. तो उसमें हम अगर n की वैल्यू रखते हैं 1 by 1, सो वी हैव a1 इज इक्वल्स टू 3 प्लस 4 इंटू 1 विच इज़ 7. a2 is equals to 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 3 plus 8, which is equals to 11. a3 is equals to 3 plus 4 into 3, that is 3 plus 12, which is equals to 15. Okay, now the common difference, d is equals to a2 minus a1, which is equals to 11 minus 7, which is 4. Second d is equals to a3 minus a2, which is 15 minus 11, which is again 4. Okay, now what we have to find, यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो चीज़ें आ गई है. फर्स्ट टर्म विल बी 7 and the difference will be 4. Now what we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, S15 is equals to 15 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 8, that is 2 into 7 plus 14 into 4. 15 minus 1, na? So this is 15 divided by 2 into 14 plus 56, which gives 15 divided by 2 into 17. So this is 35 to the 15 into 35, and the answer will be 525. Okay, now for the another one, that is second is 9 minus 5n. For the second an, what we have to write, the second is 9 minus 5n, which is an. So let's just have, first of all we have to find the values. So a1 is equals to 9 minus 5 into 1, which is 9 minus 5, 4. a2 is equals to 9 minus 5 into 2, that is 9 minus 10, so the value will be minus 1. a3 is equals to 9 minus 5 into 3, which is equals to 9 minus 15, which is minus 6. And so now let's just find the common difference d. So d is equals to a2 minus a1 which is minus 1 minus 4 which is minus 5. D is equals to a3 minus a2 which is minus 6 minus plus 1. So this is minus 5 again. So here we are having the first term which is 4. A is equals to 4 and common difference D is equals to minus 5. So let's just apply Sn, that is S15 is equals to 15 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 4 plus 15 minus 1 into minus 5. So this is 15 divided by 2, 2 4s are 8 plus 14 into minus 5. Okay, so 14 into minus 5, 17. So this is 15 divided by 2 into bracket 8 minus 17. So 15 divided by 2 into minus 62. ये हो जाएगा minus 31. So the multiplication will be 15 into minus 31 and the answer will be minus 465. Therefore S15 is equals to minus 465. So we will just stop here. In the next video we will continue with exercise 5.3. Till then, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.